Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about storing Christmas lights. I know it's the beginning of the season, but now's a time where you get really frustrated whenever your lights are all tangled up and it's a disaster trying to pull them out of the boxes and whatnot. So I wanted to show you how to prevent that from happening, particularly with your mini lights, the ones you wrap around trees and your shrubs and whatnot. What a lot of people tend to do is something like this. They wrap them kind of like you would a water hose or an extension cord or something, and you probably know very well that if you put this in a box, somehow it magically turns into a complete disaster, and it takes forever to untangle it. You have to be very careful untangling it, or it gets knots in it and whatnot. So this is the wrong way to do it. This is always you're just asking for trouble when you do that. The best way to do it is to actually do this. Make a little ball. This looks like a disaster. It looks very chaotic and like it would be a mess to untangle, but it's actually very easy. When you start at the end and you just roll it up into a ball like this, then you can grab that in and unroll it as you wrap it around your trees or whatnot the next year, and you get no tangling at all whatsoever. You can throw these in your box. You don't have to worry about them getting tangled up with other lights and whatnot. This is absolutely the way to go whenever you're storing your mini lights. So wrap them up like this. Don't do the whole water hose thing or extension cord thing. That's just asking for trouble the following year. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.